just hold it and get the video of me uncovering the last loop. It's already recording. Just pointed at it. It's okay if it's kind of long because I can speed it up, make it look cool.
What is that? That's
Broken down there.
Oh, what's that? That's the edge of the tank?
Yeah.
Golly, look how far over here it is.
Big tank, I guess.
I guess. That's bigger than I was expecting. This is 275%.
Broken down low. Okay, you can stop.
I can run it as long as you want
That won't be a long video, it'll be really good. It'll be interesting.
to. See water coming out?
Yeah. There it is.
It's broken smooth off.
I might make my hole bigger.
It should be right there where it's broke. Yeah, I think if you water it in there,
Yeah.
oh, you're gonna be good. Right there, thicker than a whistle. Pushed out of a collar. Look at this, Raquel. Look here what it did. We see this a lot when it gets real dry outside. If you look right there.
You can see it better on this side.
Yeah, just that pipe right there just pushed out of its collar. So it's just been dumping all of our water right here instead of to the sprinklers. We see it